So another thing that I made yesterday, actually, what I wanted to show you guys is this thing. There are two things actually. Um, so at one point yesterday, I found myself in a situation where I got lots of a really big text file with notes, and putting it all by hand is actually pretty difficult because you assemble all this like 8 sounds for 8 bars, so it's 64 notes. It turns out like shit, and you need to put new notes. It's not really difficult, but it's really time consuming, and I really wanted to find a resource that puts text files to the MIDI, like text notations to MIDI, and I didn't really seem to find something. I found the thing that turns like the PDF file, yeah, but like with the real notes on the staff to the MIDI, and the thing that turns the audio file into the MIDI. Basically, I asked ChatGPT, like ChatGPT, yo, how do I accomplish this? I need to convert the text file to the MIDI file, and he said that I actually can build a really small, a really easy project. It's basically like this small, this much, so like 100 lines of code. I think let's take a look at how it works. Yeah, and I published it to my GitHub here. And another thing as well, we'll talk about it later. Let's take a look at this. So we got the text file, we got the tempo, we got the time signature, we got the note. So here's the note, the octave, the duration, it's the end of a bar, and R is rest, it's the pause, right? So how does this work? I got this thing over here. It's open sourced on my GitHub. You can take a look at the code there or right now, so you can see how small it is actually, and what they do for you. Actually made a screenshot. It turns text notes to the MIDI file. So how it works? You got the text file. You just run this thing here, and here's the result. And you can load it into the FL Studio and listen to it. Pretty neat, isn't it? And the second thing that I wanted to show you guys is actually a thing that generates music. It generates a MIDI file from a description. I built it yesterday. It runs on the local AI. Let's take a look at it. So you will find my GitHub, you find this repository. Here's all the files, the big ass readme. Go to the releases, yeah, and you download these files here. And actually what they do for you, you end up in this thing right here. And how it works: run the CMD, you create a virtual environment, you activate it, you install the required libraries, you install the Ollama, install the model itself, it's GMO free. Then you just start the application right here, and what they do for you need to wait a bit. It gives you a link. You go by this link, and you end up at this text MIDI generator that runs on the local AI, which weighs around 3.3 gigabytes. So you can describe it right here. You can just, it's coming home. Oh, so it's not coming home. You can choose the mood, sad, of course, because it's not coming home. You can choose the key. We do the C minor, I guess. Where is it? We don't really seem to have the C minor actually, but that's that's right. We go with D minor. Tempo, it's sad because it's sad, so short tempo. And bars, let's go with like 8. Alright, so we press generate MIDI. It generates. Ooh. 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 You press generate MIDI, it starts the generating process. You need to wait like 20 seconds or so, maybe even later. So it's generated. Actually, we got the MIDI file, we got the text file. Let's open up the MIDI file. A very great melody, actually, but at least it's a melody. All right, it's a melody. Let's take a look at it. Let's load the FL keys, and just like this. Let's go. It's not perfect, but it does generate MIDI, and that's great. That's really great. Alright guys, so that's actually all that I wanted to show you for now. I'll see you later.